Hello, everybody. This isn't something that I just randomly decided to do. This is something that I've wanted to do for a long time. Honestly, it's something I've wanted to have ever since I knew I was going to fix this car. Now, to show you is what I was talking about once. Turn signal wire. From here on out, that's the factory tach wire. And I'll fix this up better when I've got the dash back up. But I just made my own two wires that run to the fuse box because I didn't see a reason to buy a harness. So now I'm going to put the dash back up and I'll show you some more in a couple minutes. Alright, so I don't think my gas gauge is working, but everything else is. Okay, so this car was a factory tach car. I've said that a few times. Gauges, all that stuff. When it was wrecked in 1977, it sat at basically a wrecker yard for, a little while. And before it ever even got out here, before Dad bought it back when it was wrecked, somebody in town stole the tach. So, as a parts car, it never had a tach. But during the time that Dad had it, before he sold it, before it was wrecked, it had one. I tried really hard to have an original. I even bought one off eBay. Guy had it on there for sale. I paid, in my eyes, way too much money for it. And then he canceled it about 3 weeks later. He said he couldn't find it. So I waited around and looked around for another 6 months and finally bought that one, which is a new one. But it's an older reproduction, but it's a Dynacorn, I think. But I didn't buy the harness. I didn't want to buy the harness. I just didn't see a reason to when I had some of the original ones. And $50 is needed other places instead of that. But tach works. And, if something like the fuel gauge or the temp gauge doesn't work now, it's because it's not got a connection, because I had all that stuff working last year. So Of course, your brown wire runs underneath the hood, goes to the coil. You got 2 more wires that hook up to the fuse box. The wires that I used are not color coordinated, but they didn't have to be. I want to tape these up and tuck them up in here. Alright, so keeping in mind this will be over this direction. I'm happy with that. And both those wires are fused. They're fused correctly. Top wire is lamp, bottom one's ignition. The tach that I bought, somebody else had already spent a lot of time making, copying stuff off the internet and stuff, and that's a wiring harness that would have took. I was able to use this to figure out how to wire it, but I guess it's out of context, but I don't understand why there's 2 different ways to wire it up. I don't understand why the instructions are 2 different ways, and there's 2 different sets of instructions, and both of them are different. But that's why I don't go online and try to find stuff. That's why I don't go online and ask questions. That's why I don't go online and try to figure out things. Because if you do that, you'll have about 14 different answers for the same damn question. Anyway, now I got to get the steering column fixed, and the only reason I have it apart is the only column I've got is an automatic column, and I don't want that. So I'm going to fix the steering column, and that's ready to go back in. Maybe by the time I have that steering column fixed, I can have a rag joint. But tach works. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you maybe even learned something. Tell me what you think, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.